A good set of tires are important for enhancing grip levels to make each ride more engaging and, more importantly, safe for the rider. They provide the traction that is needed for acceleration, cornering as well as braking. They are the only part that connects the motorcycle and the rider to the latter's love for the open road. It is not too much to say that while riding, our lives depend upon the tires fitted to our two-wheelers. Therefore, it is worth taking some time to get into the details. What really keeps a biker getting through a hectic work week is the thought of this weekend ride. That's exactly what I've set out to do here today on this cold winter morning. Unfortunately today, the ride wasn't as fun as I expected it to be. Now this is because my tires seem to be running out of grip. So let's cut this ride short, head to the tire store and see what options we have in store for us. So I've cut today's ride short and arrived at Tyre's CEAT Shoppe. They are official distributors for CEAT tires. In the past, I've tried various different tires from different manufacturers, so I thought this time why not give CEAT a try. Let's go check if they have the Radial tires in stock for us. So we've been browsing the store for a while and we've come across the Radial tires from CEAT. These are called the CEAT Zoom Rad X1 tires. So for the rear of the KTM 390 Duke, we have the 150/60 section tire, and for the front we have the 110/70 section tire. Let's go fit them on. There are a few things one must look at carefully while replacing a set of tires. Firstly, it is always preferable to change both tires simultaneously, even if one tire looks more worn out than the other. This will depend on how the motorcycle has been ridden. While both the tires assist with grip in the corners, the front tire supports braking, while the rear one handles all the power that the engine is putting out. In my case, the rear tire was squared off and completely worn out, while the front tire still had some life left in it. Another aspect to consider is the date of manufacture. It is obviously better to buy tires that have been manufactured recently. This is because the quality of rubber stored over a long period of time tends to deteriorate. There will be a 4-digit number on the sidewall where the last 2 digits denote the year of manufacture and the first 2 digits give us the week of manufacture. After properly inspecting the tires, we bought the set for Rs 7,300. This is great value for money, and considering that CEAT is a trusted Indian brand, it has been thoroughly tested keeping our road conditions in mind. Next, we come to the size. A good place to start is the old set of tires on the bike. They already have all of the information on the sidewall which is necessary at the time of tire replacement. It is always advisable to stick to the stock tire size suggested by the manufacturer, for it is the size that the bike was intended to be ridden with. While many might like the look of a larger rear tire, it can drastically affect how the motorcycle handles and also reduce the bike's fuel efficiency. For the KTM, we have a 150/60 section rear tire, where 150 denotes the width of the tires in millimeters, while the 60 is an aspect ratio in percentage that gives us the width of the sidewall when converted into millimeters. Radial tires have a sturdier construction as compared to bias tires, which makes them more responsive. They run slightly cooler, which ultimately increases their life. After the tire fitment was successfully completed, all that is left is braking in this set of tires. It is essential to brake in tires for at least 300 to 400 kilometers before riding faster, braking harder, and cornering lower. That is all we have for the first part of this series. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will be heading out for a longer ride and discussing the features of these tires in detail.